So what we're exactly doing is trying to let people that are from majors that are not necessarily engineering have some idea of how engineers think, what engineers do when they're trying to design a product. And so we do that with something everybody's familiar with, and that's coffee. UC Davis teaches this course. Bill Reston Park started it probably about 10 years ago, and it's the #1 enrolled course on UC Davis campus. And so I learned about it, and I've always wanted to start something here at Auburn. The way the course is structured is first they learn how to make coffee with an automatic coffee maker. That's one of the worst ways to make coffee because you can't control anything. Then they learn how to brew through different methods like the Clever Dripper, the AeroPress, and the French press. About the third week, they start learning how to roast. And they do, a light roast and a dark roast, but then after that, we don't tell them what roast they do, and then they pick the beans. Then they'll come in the next week, and then they brew whatever they roasted the prior week. Each week, they're learning to get a better and better tasting cup of coffee, both from designing their roasts and then designing what brew method they're doing. So I'm not the expert in beverage, I'm an expert in engineering and processing. And so that's what I'm, trying to teach. But I do love coffee. Always been a black coffee drinker. So in this lab is no sugar, no milk in the lab. It's all about learning how to make a really good cup of black coffee. What I hope the students get out of it is some abilities, again, of engineering literacy, just because they're roasting, they're brewing, and those are all the principles that are there. And while we're not going to, derive anything from first principles, they are going to have some notions of how extraction of flavors is related to the temperature, flow, or to the pressure. But more importantly, they learn to take these notions and design a better product. So make their coffee taste better or make it with more efficiently.